Math is everywhere you look. It's in everything you do, and it can be fun to use. Won't you join us on today's episode?
Welcome to Math Everywhere. I'm Renee Harris, your math magician, helping you to see the magic in math. Today, we're at Spruce Run, Columbus City School's very own nature center. We're here with second and third graders doing some perimeter and area activities. We're also going to be talking about the garden that they have in the back, as well as ideas for you at home. We're going to be inside here in the barn working with some second and third grade students from Duxberry Elementary. Let's go inside and see what they're up to. So each person has their leaf. Hold it up. Let's everybody see what leaf you got. So your job is you're going to figure out the perimeter first of your leaf. You've got paper, you've got pencil, you've got measuring tape, you've got a piece of string. All right, so these tracings look real good. When I'm at home and I'm thinking about some everyday objects, you know what comes to mind for me? A cereal box. Everybody knows what a cereal box is.
Of course, you eat it.
So you have some boxes of cereal at home?
Yeah.
Do you know you could use that cereal box?
As a measuring.
Yeah, you could. You could use that box to figure out the perimeter of the box as well as the area. And I'm saying that to say that at home, you may not have leaves or these kind of things, right? So, but you've got everyday objects at your house where you could figure out the perimeter and the area of those objects. Do you all have rugs on the floor at home, in the living room or in the kitchen? Do you know what that's called? It is actually called, it's called an area rug. Why would you guess it's called the area rug? Remember, do you hear what she said? Because it's covering. Girl, bam, because it is covering. That area rug is covering a certain amount of space in your living room, in your kitchen, it could be in your dining room.
If you put another rug on the top of it, you can make something out of it, or you can measure the sides of it.
Absolutely you could. And could you even figure out what the perimeter of the area rug is?
Yes.
You absolutely could. That's the distance
On
around.
the side of it, it's small. If you get a measuring tape thing, you can measure the sides, how length it is. You probably can build.
Did you hear he said the length? Because I was just thinking in my mind we could measure that length and that width, because when we're talking about area, area equals length times width. Look at you all go. Are you sure you're third graders? You sure you didn't sneak some high schoolers in here on me? Because these guys are pretty sharp. That's math. I want you now to begin to count around your shape so you can figure out what that perimeter is. So the perimeter of this shape is what?
15.
15 units. Remember, we don't have a specific unit of measure, so we use a general term just like units. Now, when you're thinking about perimeter and area at home, you might be planting a garden, right? And you need to know the distance around in that garden space. There is math everywhere.